How to create a basic tree. Welcome guys! This is my first video and I'm going to show you the basic 3D animation and introduce what are the tools and the function in this 3D animation software. Which is here I use Maya Autodesk. So what am I going to introduce here are going to be part of my personal project. And this is how the basic template looks in Maya Autodesk. So to start a project. So let's begin. So here, we can start by clicking on the menu bar Windows, and then General Editors, and then Visor. However, by clicking the visor, it will pop up table with several options that the animator could use into creating the animation project. So here, so many different options with different functions, but I will choose trees as the object. So if we want to create a tree, we just need to click one of these options and it will appear just here in the template. After you see the mouse pointer turns into a brush, you can start pulling it up while holding it until you create the tree object. So go pick one of these options. For me, I'm going to choose what about I think no. What about Sakura? So now you can see the tree and you can rotate it by holding Alt key and dragging it. However, you can also use the square box in the right corner if you use Windows. Next, click on the tree, select Modify, choose the sub-menu Convert and then Paint Effect to Polygons to create more realistic tree. Now, as we have converted the tree into a polygonal object, we can see how it's a separate parts, consists of two different objects and not one. So select one of the object parts and hold Ctrl key and A to make a table like this one appears. This table we use to edit each options into certain settings that we want. Here, the animators are provided by many options that can be manipulated and to be set. If we choose Cherry Tree 1 and go to Global Scale, we can increase or decrease the size of the object by sliding it to the right or to the left. We can also add more realistic effect so that the tree looks more twisty and real by dragging the twist rate into the right to add more texture into the tree object. Also, it is important to you to open the behavior sections inside the tubes menu and then go to the turbulence options, because here you can manipulate the tree as if it was blown by the wind. More even, you can set the speed or even the frequency of the wind, so it looks more real.
Learn anywhere, any day.